1. Okay. G125 at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey Dennis, can you spot for me out there? James, Iowa is flying his Shapeshifter Junior. That is a beautiful looking rocket, Jason. I know someplace where you can get one of those. It's a Wildman, as I said, a Wildman Shapeshifter Junior on an I-1299 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The General Rice rocket on an H-123 skid mark in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to go to E. All the way from Manitowoc, Wisconsin, is flying his Lock Tomahawk. That is a Lock Precision Tomahawk on a Scotty L600 Sparky. It's an Eric motor, so there's a 99% chance it'll work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smoking. Well, I guess that worked. On a rocket named Bear. It's a Lock Precision rocket on a J425. This is his level 2 certification. Ken, are you Tripoli or NAR? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out on A1.
Hi, nice.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how do you check the balance when it's sticking out the back? This Wildman Intimidator on a I-211. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. B5. Body, it's scratch built. K535, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smoke, smoke. Fire. Big red on a J270. Motor eject with a parachute. That is a plan. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. CJ, you now have your exercise. All right, 345s in it. It's a cluster. And of course, Scarpine approved it. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Something worked. 5, 5, 4. That was. I got it for almost got it. Before with a Loki motor in it. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Heads up, heads up. Wildman trailer, we're good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did you get a shot of my Magnum going up?
Got a couple.
All right, heads up, it's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And
is it true the anti-gravity group is breaking up? What happened with the podcast? Why is your audio so bad all the time?
No more questions.
4, 3, 2, 1. Patricia, made from scratch, an H100. This is a level 1 cert. I hope you have somebody watching. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 53. Gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Michigan is flying his H128 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'll just get the launch of them.
We had John.
Dennis Watkins flying his DJI 65 and an I-65 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're good. I just have to
Thinking about it. Alex C5, Larry Jesse is flying his block in there. 1. Heads up, heads up, heads up. Now, Solar Express on an H-115. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. J270, this is his level 2 certification attempt. You got somebody watching, I hope. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, out on F2, Eric Kaberg, Manitowoc. He's flying his Hyperlock 442 on a Scotty M12 2777. Gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smoking.
A 5.5-inch Nike in the bottom.
Maybe. There it goes. Smoking. George Matt, Estes Majestic, F-16, 5, 4, 3,
Perfect
2,
flight.
1.
Textbook, really.
Whoa, that was cool. It did launch. Okay, Ian, come get your flight card.
This is
Ian,
the new way to do it.
yours.
You want the tube
All right.
to unravel so the nose cone comes
no,
out
you
easier.
Can't go, You can't go out there yet. For K820. Cool. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rockets out here, and you're waiting for tomorrow. That's probably not the best idea.
Perfect.
Good as
And
new.
are open.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did I promise you it'd be good? Green Bay, we've got your Deep Purple, which is a 29-inch rocket that's going to fly in an H-123. Kevin, we're going to launch Deep Purple off of B4. Everything looks good. We are clear. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Different story. This is the Mayhem rocket for Miss. Oh, well, all right, everybody, I want you to watch. Go out and look out on D2 over there. We got a fun rocket we're going to launch here. It's 6 inches long, 4 inches diameter. It's clustered I-205s. This is going to be fun. All right, so Alex, we're going to launch your rocket after checking the range is clear in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that didn't sound right.
Are we good up there? Goblin, it's going to go up on a J350. Woohoo! All right, this one's going to be fun. Don, we're going to launch your Goblin. Range is clear, so we're going to launch your Goblin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know, but it's.
All right, do I have continuity? Yes. Don Hansen from St. Louis. We're going to launch your Gilbert Grape rocket. It's got an M1315. It's going to be a good. That's going to be a good launch for this rocket. That's going to be fun. All right. You got dual deploy. You got an RC3 and a Stratologger in there. We're looking for 6,000 feet. And Don says the wave as it goes by. He's got video on board. All right, Don. We're going to launch your rocket off of F2. It looks good. We're going to miss that other rocket. Okay, we're going to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smoking. He's got a Wildman Gizmo XL. It's going to go up on an M3100. Oh boy, this is going to be fun. And you're on F4. All right, Chandler, we're going to launch your Wildman Gizmo XL. Checking the sky and range is clear. We're going to launch your rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I think that's the motor case.
Honestly,
2, 1. It's a research motor, and he's got it on a 1/2-inch launch lug. It's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smoking. Look more like pink, Chuck, not magenta. All right, now we're going to go to F3. Is Wildman Jr. on a CTI H225. It's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. That might help. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ben Murdoch and Josh Anderson out of West Lafayette are flying Chungamungas on a Lock 4 Goblin on a K2045 VMAX.
$50, Sam.
Yeah. The fins will hold on, I know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That has to be fiberglass or carbon fiber or something. It's a white Tundra motor. He's got a telemetrum in it, and we're going to aim for the Goblin that's still up there somewhere. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We missed 3, 2, 1. From Allentown, flying his Lock Ultimate, he calls big, on an I-600. That's a little motor for such a big rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, you can whistle. We got it out. 20, and Avant Brothers Javelin, he calls confidence is high. From Tampico, yeah. It's flying an Executioner on an H550. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know, that is so her generation. She's quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, the igniter burned really good on the ground. Okay, out on F2, Eric Kaberg, all the way from Manitowoc, is flying an Antique. It's a Dynacom Tarantula on an Aerotech M1315. Very cool motor, very cool rocket. Here we go, Eric, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She's putting hard. Okay, pad managers, the pads are open. If you have to put her to